Hey y'all, this is Angie. Welcome back to my old country kitchen. For today, we're going to be making a taco potato casserole. And I got a recipe I'd like to share with you. So get those ingredients, get in the kitchen, make a mess. It'll be worth it. I hope you're hungry. Well, Cinnamon's been in here in the kitchen. She laid out some ingredients for this recipe. You'll need a pound of ground beef, some onion, garlic, can of diced tomatoes with chilies or without chilies, half a cup of sour cream, taco seasoning, can of cheddar cheese soup, 2 pounds of frozen hash browns, 2.5 cups of shredded cheese. Now, I'm not going to follow this recipe. I'm going to be substituting some ingredients because I don't have a whole onion or garlic. So I'll probably be just using some minced onion. And I got some garlic pepper seasoning. Sometimes it's okay not to use all the exact ingredients. In life, you just have to make do with what you got. If you don't feel like going out to the store on a Sunday, yep, this is just real life in the old country kitchen. Got diced tomatoes. I'm not gonna worry about the chilies. I don't have a can of cheddar cheese soup, so I'm gonna use some paste nacho cheese sauce. And for the potatoes, I'm not going to use frozen hash browns. I got some tater tots in the freezer, but I'd rather do some fresh potatoes. So let's get started.
Come here to see Daddy, baby girl.
Hey Cinnamon, are you going to help me? You in the kitchen today?
Say, no, Mommy, I really want to be with Daddy today. He's not feeling good.
Oh, okay. Love
Say,
you.
Daddy needs my time. He don't feel good.
So you're not going to be helping me anymore in the kitchen today, but you did lay out some ingredients.
Come on, girl, let's be.
Love you.
Let's say bye, folks and fans. Let's head back toward the bedroom so me and Daddy can lay back down. He don't feel good.
Now I'm dicing the potatoes. I put a teaspoon of vegetable oil in the potatoes, a teaspoon of salt, and I'll put a little bit of pepper in there. Now we're going to mix all this up. Get it ready. Bake in the oven. Now, got our baking sheet. Get our potatoes. Kind of evenly spread them. Okay, we got our potatoes evenly spread on the baking sheet. Alright, the diced potatoes are in the oven. On the fry setting. We got like 17 more minutes. That's my good girl. Yeah, you come in here to see me. Yes, you came in here. I know you need to be in there with Daddy, okay? He needs you. Well, I'm gonna go get back to cooking, okay? Love you, Cinnamon. Okay? Here's the first batch of diced potatoes. These potatoes cooked for 16 minutes at 425 degrees. Okay, we got the cooked diced potatoes in a pan. And I got taco mixture. It's got hamburger seasoning, taco seasoning, the diced tomatoes, and some spices. We'll go ahead and pour that on in the pan. Level it out a little bit. Now we're going to take about a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and I got some Colby Jack mixed in. And now I got the casserole in there on 425 for around 10 minutes. Well, I checked it out. I think it can go up 3 more minutes. Well, our casserole's out of the oven. Let's see how it turned out. Ooh, does that look delicious or what? Well, I'm gonna have to let it cool. Then we'll try a bite or two. Okay, I got some plated right here, and I think I'm gonna sprinkle on some chopped chives. Let's put a little bit of that on there. Okay. That. Well, I said we was gonna try some of this. It looks good. I think I want some hot sauce. Let's have a little bit of hot sauce on it, because I love tacos with hot sauce. Y'all definitely need to make this. It may be a little time consuming cutting up your own fries, but if you don't have time, just use some tater tots, frozen tater tots, frozen hash browns, but you gotta make it. It's so good. Thank you all for joining me, and we'll see you later.